Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF file to a Word document using Microsoft Word. This is a very useful skill if you want to edit or modify a PDF file without any additional software. Now, let's get started. First, you need to open the PDF file that you want to convert. You can do this by right-clicking and choosing Open with Microsoft Word. You will see a message that says Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file had lots of graphics. Click OK to continue. Word will then open the converted PDF file in a new window. You can now edit the file as you would normally do with any Word document. You can change the font, the color, the alignment, the spacing, the layout, and anything else you want. To save the converted file as a Word document, go to File, then click Save As and choose a location and a name for your file. Make sure to select Word document, *docx, as the file type. Click Save to finish. And that's it. You have successfully converted a PDF file to a Word document using Microsoft Word. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!